Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix SSL Handshake error in Cloudflare. To begin, sign into your Cloudflare account and go to the account homepage. Once you're there, open the domain where you're experiencing the SSL Handshake error. This is the site you'll be updating, so make sure you select the correct domain before continuing. After the domain dashboard loads, look for the SSL TLS section in the main navigation and click into it. This area controls how Cloudflare handles encrypted connections between visitors, Cloudflare, and your origin server. Since SSL handshake issues are often related to mismatched encryption settings, this is the first place to check. Inside SSL TLS, open the Overview tab. On this page, you'll see the current SSL mode for the domain. Next, click Configure so you can update that setting. In the available SSL options, find Full and select it. This setting tells Cloudflare to use encryption when connecting to your origin server, which can help resolve handshake problems caused by an incorrect SSL mode. Once Full is selected, click Save to apply the change. After saving, give the setting a moment to register. Then, in the left side navigation, scroll down until you find the Caching section. Click Caching, and then open Configuration. This step is important because even after updating SSL settings, Cloudflare may still be serving cached content or behavior from before the change. On the Caching Configuration page, click Purge Everything. This clears all cached files for the domain, so Cloudflare can fetch fresh content using the updated SSL configuration. Depending on the size of the site, this may take a little time to fully process. It's a good idea to wait a few moments before testing the site again. Once the cache has been purged, reload your website and check whether the SSL handshake error is gone. If the issue was caused by the previous SSL mode or outdated cache data, this process should help resolve it. As a quick tip, when using full mode, your origin server should still be able to respond for HTTPs. If your site still shows an error after this change, you may need to review the SSL certificate installed on the origin server separately. But within Cloudflare, these are the core settings to update. That's it. You've now walked through the Cloudflare settings commonly used to fix an SSL handshake error.